Hey kids, Sugar Plum here, and I'm here to talk about everybody's favorite subject, leaky faucets. A lot of times, if you have a leak, you call a plumber, they're just going to want to replace the entire faucet because that's the easiest thing for them to do. But you don't have to do that. If you've got a neat antique valve and you want to renew it, bring it to me, we can rebuild it. Something like this guy, you're going to need a wrench to get it off, but you want to undo that little bonnet cap. Valve unscrews. If you look at that guy right there, that is sad and depressed. We all get depressed sometimes, but there's a way to fix it. I've got over here tons and tons of new washers that I can replace for you. I've got enough washers to probably replace about 70% of the valves that are out there today. Easy to do sometimes, and that's only if you have a leaky faucet in the off position. If it leaks out of here when you turn it on, I've also got little caps and bonnet washers to go up in here to stop that situation. And these drawers, tons of little washers, even more. So bring it to me, I can fix it up. Another thing to check out, so you have some newer faucets, they have a cartridge type. I'll show you here. Again, there will be a handle there. Take the handle off, get that bonnet off. Got a cartridge here. Undo that with a wrench. And look at that cute little guy. This one's okay, this one's new, but I've got quite a few cartridges here. You can bring the cartridge into me. I can try to match it up, see if I can get you a replacement, and you will be happy and leak-free. If you can bring the entire faucet, that is even better because I can test it for you. All right, another thing you want to look for with these old screw-type valves are the threads. You see these guys here, I don't know if the camera can get that, but these are kind of come to a point, they're a little bit rounded over. That is not good. You're going to have issues with that. What you want is to have it kind of have a flat end like that. That's called knuckle. You want that to fit right and tight. That'll keep the water from coming through. We've got tons of salvage screw valves. You can dig around, or I can dig around. Either one makes you happy. We can find the right one. Another thing, that little washer I told you about, that sits up against the seat. And sometimes those go bad. You can get a little tool down on the bottom of there. Sometimes a flathead screwdriver works, but if you've got the right tool for the job, even better. But this little guy, and you want that to be nice and smooth because that is what your washer sets up against to stop the water from flowing. I've got tons of seats to replace too. Come and see me.